With Würth's NFZ Special Purpose Tool, you are perfectly equipped for work on kingpins, knuckle joints, and silent bearings in all kinds of vehicles. Whether utility vehicles, buses, agricultural machinery, building machinery, general plant construction, or mechanical engineering, thanks to the clearance height of 500mm and a span of 295mm, the tool is suitable for almost all requirements. The NFZ's special purpose tool is particularly convincing in mobile usage. Whether in the workshop or on the building site, the tool can be fitted and is ready for use in next to no time. Through the interplay of the hydraulic cylinder with the pneumatic hydraulic pump, the special purpose tool develops a compression force of 32 tons. With the aid of the supplied hammer adapters, the compression force can be increased to more than 100 tons. In this way, even rusted joints and silent bearings no longer stand a chance. Kingpins in utility vehicles, knuckle joints in building machinery, silent bearings in plant construction, or tapered bushes, our special purpose tool solves every problem.